Alright, we're gonna be trying to pull this engine out today. Haven't even started anything yet. I could still turn it on if I had a battery in there. So we're gonna try and pull that. And yeah, basically just that for today. And then I'm gonna go to Home Depot and grab a thin wire cutting wheel to cut that out, and then I'm gonna try and weld that today. So let's see how this all goes. So far we got the header out, the rad, the AC condenser thingy, all the AC lines, just unplugging everything so I can pull this. I think I could pull this today, hopefully. If not, we have tomorrow. But what I'm hoping is not going to be a pain in the ass like last time are these nuts that look rusted the shit. So we're gonna have to try and pop those off and hope everything goes well. I have a torch of my own now, so I think that's the next step we have to do. And then I gotta disconnect the throttle cable, I got to disconnect the clutch line, and I think that's it. Then pop the motor mounts, get the engine stand out, and we're ready to roll. And then we can throw it in this sucker. I can't even touch the... Alright. Still kind of the same place. Didn't really do much. All the AC lines are there. So still kind of in the same place, but as you see, we got the candle, the torch, and that axle nut. I'm telling you, wax is the flex. You can't get this off, torch it, throw some wax around there so it gets seeped into the threads, and then keep doing that a couple times and it should come right off. Right there, I gotta get that pin out, and I've been hammering it, but I think I need to raise the car higher so I can get more of a swing. But I need these disconnected so I can pull the motor. I'll film this one to show you what I did. But for now, I gotta go run to the store, grab a couple things, and then we'll see if we can pull this today. Everything's pretty much disconnected. And to show you guys how I get this back T-mount off, focus up real quick. So there's a T-bracket that goes on the transmission. It's a 17 bolt that attaches to the subframe there. To get that off, I have a swivel end there, obviously the 17 that attaches to the bolt, a big extension, and then I have just the gun jammed in there. And I haven't tried it yet. I haven't tried to gun this off, but I'm really hoping this comes off because I don't have another solution. All right, so we'll see. All right, a little freaked out, but bolt came out. Let's go, dude. And that's how you get that T-mount, or the T-bracket right there off. I think. I still gotta pull that bolt out now, but as you can see, it's sticking out, so it's out. And that's how you get it off. Just jam the gun right beside the intake on the right side, like driver's side. I got lazy. I didn't want to take off the whole suspension and everything, and because I was gonna leave it and sell this car as a rolling shell when I take the engine. So the drive shaft, let me see. I just cut it because I'm pulling the engine. Hopefully this doesn't hit there. It looks like it is, but hopefully it doesn't. I cut that because the pin was actually a bitch. And again, I'm running out of time, so I just cut that. Where is it? I don't know, right there. You see the boot? Right there. I just cut it. I tried getting the pin out, but I couldn't get it out. I was hammering for like a couple hours and it just flattened it, so it wasn't coming out. Yeah, so that's where we're at now. I'm gonna start taking other mounts off, try and get that back bolt out that I just got, and then take this mount, attach the chain, take the power steering pump off. This is where I attach my chain. I put the chain on this bolt here, but I take the bracket off obviously first, and I put the bolt in, attach one chain end here. Then I come over to the starter and I take out that starter bolt, and the engine comes out fine. I've never had problems doing it that way. All right, so just got that trans mount off. Where is it? That guy right there. Got the chain and the engine jack all like set up and stuff. As I said, I took the power steering pump off. I put it on this bolt right here, right? Secured it in. The excess chain is just kind of hanging over here, and then I just kind of bolted it with the header bolt there. And then on the other side, like I said, we did the starter bolt, and I put washers, obviously just in case, and you know, so it doesn't slip through, yada yada yada. I'm gonna take this mount off. I'm gonna take that out. I got this bolt actually out from the back right there. It just slipped right through. Came right out. So I think that bolt there, that bolt there, a couple bolts here, and realistically maybe a plug or two, but that's it, and it's ready to pull. See if this drops. Oh yeah, it dropped. You want to pump that? Yeah.
Good or more? Oh, there it goes, right?
Yeah. Here we go. There's one. I don't know what that was stuck on.
Then is this the only other one right here or what?
Yeah, I gotta get the mount out, like take this mount off though.
Yeah.
So
might as well do that before we undo that one.
Yeah. I'm just gonna leave that there. No! There's apparently not.
There it goes.
Alright, so one fell on the floor. Turn this sideways. Oh, yeah.
Perfect.
Alright, raise that quick thing. Hold up. Drive shaft over.
I got it right there.
Yeah.
Where?
I'm not buying it. I'm getting a new front end, so there's no point. Yeah. In the future.
It just gets sucked right in.
Yeah.
Right into the threads.
Needs to be. Oh, it's like stuck. Drill got stuck.
Headlight needs to come out.
You want to put this back on quick?
Put it back, like nothing happened to it. This guy quick, if not, well, the profile. Usually works. Just took that bolt out, so 19 there. And then holding that bracket in is gonna be 214 mils holding it, so take those off real quick.
Probably another one of those. No? Oh, there is, but it came.
It was a bit tougher than I really anticipated, but everything's out. Everything's been disconnected. Alright, boys. A little messy on the driveway. To be honest, I don't know what that's coolant, that's everything. She's out. So as you can see, brand new power steering rack. And I mean brand new power steering line. Jeez. All is out, strapped away. It's not even that bad, honestly, pulling it out. Now, I'm gonna try and sell that thing as a whole shell. Still got the full suspension on it. It's got decently new, actually, pads in there. Looks like no one's ever used those. Some weird ass drilled rotors. But everything's here for a build if anyone wants. But that's my plan with this. Sell it or part it. I really hope I don't have to part it, because then I'm gonna have to order a trailer.